TP-Link UE300 3.0 to Gigabit Ethernet adapter is a compact device that provides up to 1 gigabit per second Ethernet speeds to your computer. The UE300 can be used for actions such as playing the latest games, streaming your favorite shows in high definition, or simply browsing to your favorite websites. Use it with computers such as MacBooks, Chromebooks, or even Surface tablets. Setup is simple. Connect one end of an Ethernet cable to the UE300 and the other end to your router or switch. Now connect the UE300 to a USB port on your computer. For best results, we recommend using a USB 3.0 port. For most users, the UE300 is plug and play. However, some users may need to download the latest driver from the TP-Link website. A solid indicator light represents there's a connection. A flashing light shows that data is passing. With the UE300, you can reach up to 1 gigabit speeds. The UE300's compact design makes it an ideal choice for those on the go.